If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice easy recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some vegetable stir fry. A very easy and simple recipe to follow. Guys, today I'm going to be making a vegetable stir fry that's going to consist of some aubergines, red peppers and courgettes. I'm going to be using some Himalayan pink salt and also some black pepper to garnish it towards the end, or even in between. And I've got some freshly cut garlic. Add in one onion which I've chopped up in small pieces, and I've left it in this cooking pan. I've added in like 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of oil in here. I'm going to wait for the onions to turn in color to golden brown, and then I'm going to add in some tomatoes. Okay guys, I'm going to add in the freshly cut garlic, and also I'm going to add in a pinch of cumin seeds as well. Now all we need to do is just mix this until it's well combined. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in some fresh tomato which I've chopped into a puree. So add this in, just 1 big spoon. The spoon has to be this big. Just add in 1 spoon and then just give it a mix. Okay guys, I'm just going to add in 1 more spoon as well. So that's 2 spoons. And just mix it. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in some Himalayan pink salt. And just mix that. Okay guys, so I'm going to add in the vegetables. So just to let you know, this is half an aubergine, and then that's half a courgette, and this is 1 whole red pepper. So I'm going to add this in now. Now that the tomato has been cooked nicely, I'm going to add in the vegetables slowly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now we just need to mix it. Okay guys, now that the vegetables have been combined well with the mixture and it's been mixed well and it's well coated, I'm going to leave it on low heat, and I'm going to place the lid on top and leave it on low heat and let it cook slowly. Guys, I'm going to add in 3 chilies because I like my vegetable stir fry to be a bit chilly, so I'm going to add these 3 in. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. But if you guys don't want to add in chilies, you don't need to. Okay, and place the lid back on and then leave it on slow cook for 1 hour or 15 minutes. Guys, as you can see, the vegetable stir fry is complete. So to finish off guys, garnish it with a bit of freshly cut coriander, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. To subscribe to my channel, click the channel logo to the top left of the screen. Jazakumullah for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.